Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making this gorgeous color shifting Dominoes set. Most of the products I'll be using today are by Less Resin, and I'll be linking them all down in the description box down below. So the first thing I did was I dusted some of this gorgeous silver blue mica powder in the mold. And oh my goodness, I can't get over how beautiful it really is. I can't wait until you guys see how it looks like in the sun, so be sure to stick to the end of this video to see that. Next, I mixed some white pigment with two of the mixology glitters and poured it into the mold. I originally mixed up 4 ounces of resin and later found out that it wasn't enough, so I ended up mixing up 7 ounces more. In total, this mold used up around 9 ounces of epoxy resin. "24 hours later, these dominoes were ready to demold and they're just so pretty." 'To fill in the domino dots, I just used some white acrylic paint mixed with a little bit of water and used the dotting tool to spread it around evenly on the domino pieces. Then all that was left to do was sand down the edges to make them smooth. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find these dominoes as beautiful as I do. If you do, please smash that like button so I know. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!